Tu dis bonjour? You say hello? Today we are making quick pickled onions. The end goal is to put them in a burger sauce, which is another video that you should definitely check out. But quick pickled onions are so easy. They're so quick, of course. And so here we go. You want a jar. We're gonna put the super thinly sliced onions into this jar. I'm also just gonna add some garlic cloves into the jar just for some extra flavor. Okay, so now we're gonna use our saucepan and we're gonna make the brine. I've done half apple cider vinegar, half rice wine vinegar. You could do white vinegar, whatever vinegar you have. Now the sugar and the salt, and we're gonna bring it to a simmer. Now I'm going to pour the brine over the onion and the garlic. And once you have it in here, you just want to push the onion down into the brine so that all of the onion is covered by the brine. All right, there you go. Okay, so there you have it. Quick pickled onions, so easy, so delicious. We're gonna let this cool down and then we're gonna throw it into the fridge and it'll be good in there for about a week.